Do you want to hide your Instagram post from someone? I'll show you 3 different ways to hide post from someone. Go ahead and open your Instagram app, and the first method is to directly block the user. So go to your profile and tap on following or followers, and all you have to need, go to the account profile, and here you have to tap on this 3 dot and tap on block. Tap on block. Once you successfully blocked the specific account or user, the account won't be able to see your Instagram post. And here, if you don't want to block the account and you also want to hide your post from them, here's the second method to do it. To do that, we have to remove the specific follower from our Instagram followers list. So go to your Instagram profile and tap on followers. And now all you have to need, search for the follower and tap on this 3 dot next to the follower and tap on remove. And remove the Instagram account from your account follower list. And after removing the account, you have to make your Instagram account private. So from your profile page, tap on this menu icon. And here, tap on account privacy. And all you have to need, make your Instagram account private. And once your account is private, now no one will be able to see your Instagram post until you add them in your Instagram followers list. And the next method is we have to change post audience. So let's simply upload a new post, for example. So here's I'm tapping on plus icon, selecting post, selecting a photo, next, and in here tap on audience, and here select close friends and tap on people. And now all you have to need, select all users without the specific account you want to hide your post from. And after that, just tap on done and post this story on your Instagram, and the specific account won't be able to see your Instagram post. Thanks for watching.